Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and successfully console into your Cisco devices. Now in order to interface with your Cisco device, you're going to need console cable. Most likely your laptop or desktop isn't going to have a serial port like this, so what you're going to really need on top of that is a serial to USB adapter. You just connect the USB side in your computer, other side into your serial to your console cable, and you put this right into the console port of whatever Cisco device you're trying to configure.
Okay, I have all my Cisco devices here stacked, starting with the ASA, then the Cisco router 1841. Just below that is my Cisco 2811, and then the Cisco 2950. The last two are switches, then a router, then ASA. I have them all turned off because they're all really noisy except the ASA. But if you look here on the ASA, the one you want to console into is, of course, this blue one right here labeled console. That's what you want to look for on every device. So there's that one for the ASA. Then on the 1841, you see here console is the upper right hand one. And if you look around here, you'll see serial, but no console anywhere on this 2011. That's because you actually want to move to the front here. And it's actually on the front, so sometimes they trick you. It's on the front. Just gotta look out for that. You'll know when you if you console into the wrong thing because you won't see anything. And now for this last one, console is right here in the bottom right hand corner, right there. All right, so for this demonstration, I'm gonna console into the ASA and just show you how to get in, how to console with Putty, and what kind of screen you're going to see when you console in.
Okay, so I have my laptop consoled into the Cisco ASA before I'm actually going to get in there to configure. There's some things I gotta do first. One is get Putty. I'll add a link in the description below on where you can get that for yourself. I have Putty right here, and also I have to check on which COM port I am consoled into. Depending on which USB port you're using on your machine will depend on what COM port you're using. To check to make sure you want to use Device Manager, go into that. I'll minimize network adapters because I don't need that. What you need here is ports. It'll say ports, COM, and LPT. Double click that, and what you want is the USB to serial COM port. I can see here that I am COM4, so that's what I'm going to put over here. Not using SSH, we're using serial. By default, it is COM1. We're going to change that to 4. Hit enter. And as you can see here, I'm in. I'm going to enlarge my Putty here. And I've named the ASA Brian. I'm just going to change that so you can see. Hostname. So just did a little test to see if it's working, and it is. Yep, everything's working in order. So that concludes my video on how to console into your Cisco device.